Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet corn tin. First, choose about 10 to 12 ears of fresh sweet corn, ensuring they are firm and bright yellow. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids in boiling water for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step prevents spoilage and ensures your corn remains delicious for months. Have your pressure canner ready and filled with the recommended amount of water. Now let's prepare the corn. Blanch the ears in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes, then immediately cool them in an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and preserves their crispness. Once cooled, carefully cut the kernels from the cobs. Aim for about 4 cups of kernels per batch. Combine these kernels with 1 cup of fresh water in a large pot, ready for the next step. It's time to cook our corn. Bring the corn and water mixture to a gentle boil, letting it simmer for about 5 minutes. This ensures even heating. Carefully ladle the hot corn into your sterilized jars, making sure to leave 1 inch of headspace at the top. This space is vital for proper sealing. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any air bubbles, then wipe the jar rims clean. Finally, the sealing process. Place the lids and bands on your filled jars, then process them in a pressure canner. Follow your canner's instructions for processing time and pressure, adjusting for your altitude. Once processed, let the jars cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Check for a proper seal. The lid should be concave and not flex. Store your sweet corn in a cool, dark place. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the latest e-reader, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.